Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef John Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking. As seen in the title, today we're going to be making the coleslaw, the KFC style coleslaw. So if that's something that sounds interesting, stick around. After the intro, we get right into it.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So yes, let's get right into making this 5 minutes tops. I have this coleslaw ready. Just get everything prepped, simple ingredients. I have coleslaw videos here on my channel, but this one is just a tweak to get it the KFC way. So forward, I'm show you what I go on. I say if you like the vibe so far, hit the thumbs up button. So first up, we're gonna get the cabbage done. So the cabbage already washed. It's just a small cabbage, can just fit in the palm of my hands like so. Small cabbage, and we're gonna need about 3 to 4 cups of cabbage. So we're just gonna cut that down. Boom, bang, bang. Cut that in 4. Nice. So have that cut into 4 pieces. Alright. So what we're gonna do, we want to grate this, you know. You see me, you can use a knife and shred it, but we want them to grate because remember at KFC, the coleslaw is in little chunks. We're gonna use a medium side of our grater. And we're just gonna get that grated. And we'll cut this cabbage into quarters, right? So you don't want to grate it on the side here. You want to grate it from the bottom up to the stem. So you hold the stem right here, and we're gonna grate it like this upwards. You don't hold it like this and grate it at the side. We don't want them to be long, we want them to be nice and short. These little leaves that are falling off, I'm going to chop those up. So we're just going to roll these up like a cigar, because we need these little leaves in there, you know. You see me? There we go. A quick hack to get this up from there. Push your knife under. Boom. You lift up your stuff, then you drop it in the bowl. Just like so. So that's basically 1 cup, and we repeat. Don't grate it with the skin side up, grate it with the skin side down. That way the leaves don't fall apart. So we put this skin side down, so the skin should be facing the table, and we grate like this, because if you do this, it's just going to push the leaves apart, right? Immediately we're going to grate half of a small carrot. I'm going to pare the carrot, cut the carrot down the middle, like so. Not all the way through. So that way when I grate it, I get small chunks, and I use the same side. Lastly, we have half of a small white onion. I already washed it. I left the root on here because that's something to hold it by, and also to prevent it from allowing our eyes to burn. When you remove the root, then your eyes will burn you. So it's going to hold that by the root, and we'll use the same side, and we're going to grate that onion. Scrape that up again, filled with juice. And that's what we look like. Nice. Set that to the side. So now for the sauce. Half cup of mayonnaise. We have 1/4 cup of whole milk in the mayonnaise. We have 1/4 cup of buttermilk. That is how you get the coleslaw to be creamy. That mayonnaise alone can't do it. So you go to KFC and you realize your coleslaw is runny. The whole milk, the buttermilk, those two, because they're filled with fat content. 2.5 tablespoons of vinegar, white vinegar in. Come over here now with some lime juice, so freshly squeezed lime. Put your finger there as a pro tip to catch any seeds. I'll just squeeze that. The juice of 1 lime. And 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and black pepper, and we just mix. Mix until the sugar dissolves. Don't play with me. I'm just gonna pour that sauce on there. Wow. Look how beautiful that sauce looks. Wow. So we're just gonna toss everything together. Now, the hard part begins, unfortunately. You have to let this sit. That's the thing. So when you make KFC coleslaw, you can't eat it right away. It's a sitting that's going to marinate all of those flavors into the cabbage and carrot with that onion and the juices from all the cabbage and stuff. That's going to make it nice. You know what I say? So allow this to sit in your fridge for 12 hours minimum or overnight. Wow. Whoa. Creamy. The food down. So. And there you go. If I did give you some value today, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if you love the vibe, hit subscribe, you know what I say? And turn on your post notification. And do remember, my ebook is out, Morris Time Cookings, Jamaican Christmas Recipes. Grab yourself a copy for this Christmas because you and yours will definitely enjoy it. I put a lot of work and thought in it just for you. I know you're going to enjoy 12 recipes to represent each month with a bonus of 3 free recipes. That's a surprise, 2 of which has never been on this channel, and I know you'll enjoy. We're talking about the fruit cake, you know, we're talking about the listen, man, go and go check it out. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, drink. Just know we have everything on there, even for our vegan friends. So tune into the thing. Follow me on Instagram at hot_chef, and just know, follow me on the Facebook, Morris Time Cooking. Follow me here on YouTube, Morris Time Cooking. Enough love for the love. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.